Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Do you like my cat? Hello. I'm here with Pretty Girl again.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Then who are you? You're a jammer? Nice. So what are we gonna do today? Try to create some drama?
Yeah.
We totally didn't have this planned. Like, totally.
No plan.
No!
Nah.
And
No.
okay, so let's go to do this person.
No.
Then.
No. That is not how we roll, bro.
How we roll?
Not how we roll.
How we roll?
We go to Gemma Township. We go somewhere random then. And we create some drama.
Okay.
Or whatever. Be a weirdo. Yeah, that's what we do.
I choose this person.
Go there. Fine.
By the way, guys, I am a girl, not a guy.
Hi. Hey, yo. You used to do that.
What are you doing here?
We're just gonna talk to each other.
She likes butt.
Everyone should actually let me say that.
Hey, babe,
What?
what are you doing?
Nothing.
I'm not talking to you, Shannon.
You're not supposed to say my name.
You should say sorry, you pineapple.
Oh, I'm sorry that one like not talking, but if you're oh, I have a bad view. Not true. Okie dokie.
What'd you say?
I'm
Oh.
sorry for you. You should say no. I'm still his. I said yes. Wink. So how are you guys? So you has a Pringle.
Pringle.
Ooh, fun. This one's actually. I like this Pringle. Yes! What?
I'm like, wait a minute. This isn't my pen. But
Oh my god.
this is my pen.
Sorry, Fauci.
Being a crazy house.
I can't believe it let me say that.
Let's smell that gold flame. Gold.
I like diamonds.
Please let me.
Please. Here's diamond in my house. Look at what it let me
Oh.
say. Look at what it let me say. Here's diamond in my house. It actually let me say. Look at what it's letting me say. I think you're beautiful and everyone.
I told her that you're supposed to be in a crazy house. Adopt. Wait, is she talking about me?
I don't know.
It won't let me say A. And I will always love you.
Can I say that? No.
And I will always love you. Type in mine.
No. No, you type.
Like what to type?
Just say that I'm crazy.
Yep, I'm dead.